Redux is Ableton's beat crusher. Let me load one on the master track. And here it's a very simple device. We only have two main controls, which is a beat reduction, which will reduce the beat in amplitude, which will make things very noisy. Let's listen to that. If we go down to 1, it's going to become brutal. Whoa. Nice. We also have the down sample. It's essentially, if it's set to 1, every sample will be processed. If it's set to 2, every second sample will be processed, and so on. We have two modes here, hard going all the way to 200, so every only 200 samples they will be processed, and the soft. This is a very classic beat crushing effect, which is really great to make things a bit more lo-fi, a bit more kind of like old school video games or old school consoles like the Fairlight, Amiga, and all those. Now, this beat crusher can become very bright or very distorted very easily, so it's always nice to combine it with an auto filter right after to filter out those harsh frequencies. Now, of course, it does make a difference where the beat crusher is before or after. That's the signal flow. So if I put it before, the filter will filter the high frequencies. If I put it after, we can of course hear those high frequencies because we're filtering before the beat crushing and only after crushing. So that's it, very simple device, really great on anything you want to make a bit more nasty, gritty, a bit more lo-fi, but watch out because it's becoming very noisy very quickly, so nice to combine it with EQs and filters.